Hello and welcome to our new video. I am Vivek and in this video I am going to show you how to add a favicon in your Shopify store. In this video I'll show you two methods to add favicon in your Shopify. One is using the Shopify settings and second one is by editing the theme code. Let's first start with the brief about favicon. A favicon is a short form for the favorite icon, which is a small icon that appears browser tab as well as bookmark bar. Having a favicon in your website is important for several reasons, like branding, as it helps the user to quickly identify and remember your website, and like it also improves user experience, tab identifications, etc. To begin with, let's keep your favicon ready with you with the typical dimensions of 32 by 32 pixel in a commonly supported format like PNG or JPG. Now first we will start with adding the favicon using the theme settings in Shopify. To do that, go to your Shopify admin and select the online store. So here we are at the Shopify admin and selecting the online store. Now click on the customize button. Now on the left you will find a theme settings option, and as per your current theme version you will see an option for logo or image. So here I can see I have an option of logo, so click on this button and here you will see an option to favicon image. So simply click on this button, select image. Here you will find options to add the image. You will find your existing image which is present on your Shopify store, or you can simply add your own from your system as well. An icon here, and yeah. So once it is uploaded, it will show in the list, and simply click, and once it is selected, simply click on the done, and it will show you the preview here, and click on the save button, and let's refresh the page on your Shopify front end, and you will see that the favicon starts appearing at the tab of my website, Shopify website. So this is how you can do it with using the theme settings from a Shopify store. Now let's check out the second option to edit the code and add the line directly in the theme.liquid file. So to do that, go to your admin simply, and here for the current theme, click for more options and click on the edit code. Here you will find a file named theme.liquid. So in the heading section, this is the header section, and let's put our code for Shopify favicon to be added. So the code will look like link. And the type of icon, in my case I am using the PNG type icon, and then the href attribute. Here we will add the URL for our favicon icon. If you have already uploaded the favicon to your Shopify store, you can find it the URL from your admin So let's go back to your admin to check to get the URL of your previously uploaded favicon, and go to the content. Here go to the files. So here I can see that the favicon that I have previously uploaded is now being here, and you can see that there's a link option. Simply click on the link button and it will copy the link and get back to our theme.liquid and simply paste it here. Now save it. Okay, so once you added this line for the icon in your theme.liquid, you can simply go back to your online store and see that on the tab the favicon icon should appear. Alright, so we have seen two methods for adding the favicon in your Shopify store. One is using the theme settings, and another one is using the custom code in the theme.liquid. So that's all for the video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such Shopify tips and tricks. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please let me know in the comments section. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep making progress in your Shopify journey. Thank you.